Did you know that insects are among the most nutritious foods you can find in the wild? From crickets to mealworms, these little protein powerhouses pack a big punch in the survival game. Foraging for them is simple. Look for lively insects on trees, under rocks, or near decaying plant matter. Remember to avoid brightly colored or hairy insects as they may be toxic. Once you've collected your catch, cooking them thoroughly can eliminate any potential bacteria. Embrace the adventure and begin incorporating these critters into your outdoor meals, making you a more resourceful and resilient survivor.